Hey guys, Michael here. We are going to walk through C-Trax and show you how to do a quick sale and work through your discounts. So we're going to go to navigation. We're going to hit new transaction. We always say it's best to make sure you have a customer on there. All you need is little as a first and last name. You can even do a last name initial or a last initial if they don't want to give you the full name. I'm going to use this customer here. They have a lot of points. We always say on the left-hand side, just keep an eye on their favorite products, their favorite product categories, and then some of this other key data that you can see when they last did a sale and average per visit. So let's add a couple products to the cart. We also have the ability to do variable pricing. So this one might be defaulted at 200, but you know what? We're going to do it at 175 this time. Add to the cart. Here, if you tap on a product, is how you can do custom discounts, or you can apply coupons that are already in the system and apply them to a specific product. So we call that line item discounts. So now I've got that on there. Go to checkout. Same coupons and discounts are available here. Let's go ahead and do a custom 50% off. So now you see I've got coupons applied. I've got line item discounts applied. I'm going to go to my payment tab, and on here is where I can select loyalty payments, cash payments, and any of the number of card providers that we have built in. So let's go ahead and do a card pay or a cash payment. Charge. There's your recommended amounts for change. This is how much change you have to give. Recommended denominations to give them the least amount of coins or bills. And then they can select their email receipt, printed receipt, or no receipt. That's it. It's that quick and easy.